Hey everybody, it's Robert Moore again, co-founder of TrueReply.com. Today I want to talk about empowering you with the ability to make money from your opinions by answering surveys on TrueReply.com or on your Alexa-powered device. Sites like Facebook and Google collecting your information, and they're looking at everything that you do online, and they're making a lot of money off of that. They're not sharing a dime of that with you. With TrueReply, you can come to TrueReply.com, register, give us a little information, create a profile, and then you can start participating in surveys where marketers want to find information about products and services that you might be interested in, and they'll pay you for it. That payment will come in real time, either via PayPal or our new cryptocurrency, TrueCoin. So I recommend anybody that enjoys participating in surveys and polls and wants to make money for it, go to TrueReply.com/register and start making some money from your data.